Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Apple has released iOS 15.6 on and iPad OS 15.6 on for iPhones and iPads worldwide. The updates bring a pair of critical security fixes, but should you upgrade given iOS 15's history of instability? Here's everything you need to know. Apple iOS 15.6 on and iPad OS 15.6 on are for all iOS 15 compatible devices. This means the iPhone 6s 2015 and newer and iPad Air 2 2014 and newer, with Apple admitting to auto-update delays. It is best to trigger the update manually by navigating to Settings, General, Software Update. Apple's iOS 15.6 on release notes are minimal, saying only this update provides important security updates and is recommended for all users. Besides, some software has been upgraded, like FaceTime, Emoji, Face ID, Siri and many more. This release also includes bug fixes for your iPhone. Keyboard may insert a full stop between type numbers. News widgets in Today views may not open articles when tapped. Photos and videos may not sync to iCloud photo library. Speak Screen Accessibility feature may quit unexpectedly within the Books app. Live Listen may not turn off when switched off in Control Center. Some features may not be available in all regions or on all Apple devices. So, this was today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like, don't forget to leave a like, comments and share. And also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel to get more new videos. Thanks for watching.